Most people panic when they see 6 digits on the odometer. 100,000 miles. For many luxury cars, that's when things start breaking. Air suspension collapses. Turbochargers fail. Electronics go haywire. But here's what smart buyers understand. Mileage doesn't kill luxury cars. Bad engineering does. Some luxury vehicles are barely getting warmed up at 100K miles. If you choose the right platform, buying at 100,000 miles can actually be one of the smartest financial moves you make. These are 12 luxury cars you can safely buy with 100K miles without setting your bank account on fire. 12. Lexus ES350. Let's start with the obvious. The ES350 runs Toyota's proven 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6. This engine regularly crosses 250,000 miles with routine maintenance. No twin turbos. No dual-clutch transmission. No experimental tech. At 100K miles, most examples are just entering their second life. Look for documented service history, no neglected oil changes, clean transmission shifts. If maintained properly, this is one of the safest luxury bets in the world. 11. Acura TLX Tastachero V6. Acura builds performance with Honda-level durability. The 3.5-liter V6 TLX models are known for long-term reliability. Avoid poorly maintained early 9-speed examples, but generally, strong engine durability. Affordable parts. Lower repair frequency than German rivals. At 100K miles, it's far from finished. It's just depreciated enough to become a smart buy. 10. Lexus RX 350. The RX 350 built Lexus's reputation, and it earned it. This SUV avoids complicated air suspension and fragile turbo systems. The drivetrain is predictable and proven. At 100K miles, you're typically dealing with suspension wear, brake components, routine maintenance, not catastrophic engine repairs. It's luxury without drama. 9. Infiniti Q70 3.7 V6. The 3.7-liter V6 in the Q70 is quietly durable. No high-stress turbo setup. Traditional automatic transmission. Solid rear-wheel drive platform. Infiniti doesn't get the same prestige as BMW or Mercedes, but long-term ownership costs are often lower. At 100K miles, it's often mechanically healthier than many competitors. 8. Genesis G80 3.8 V6. Genesis shocked the market with value. The naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 models avoid many of the issues tied to turbocharged systems. Interior materials hold up well. Electronics are less problematic than early European competitors. At 100K miles, depreciation is steep, but reliability often isn't. That's where smart buyers win. 7. Lexus is 350. If you want sportier luxury without long-term regret, this is it. The 3.5-liter V6 is one of Toyota's most durable engines. Rear-wheel drive simplicity, proven transmission, minimal experimental components. Buying one at 100K miles isn't reckless, it's calculated. These cars frequently push past 200K when maintained properly. 6. Toyota Land Cruiser 200 Series. Yes, it competes in luxury territory, and yes, 100K miles is nothing. The 5.7-liter V8 is built for global abuse. Body-on-frame construction, over-engineered drivetrain, designed for harsh environments. In many parts of the world, 100K miles is barely broken in. If maintenance is documented, this is one of the safest high-mileage luxury buys you can make. 5. Lexus GX 460. The GX is built like an off-road tank wearing a suit. 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8. Traditional automatic transmission. Solid mechanical foundation. It may look dated to some buyers, but that mechanical simplicity is exactly why it lasts. At 100K miles, it's often still mechanically strong. 4. Mercedes-Benz E350 naturally aspirated modals. German cars scare people at high mileage, but specific trims matter. The naturally aspirated E350 models, especially pre-heavy turbo years, are far safer bets than high-performance variants. Avoid air suspension, AM trims, overloaded tech packages. Stick with simpler configurations and documented service history. At 100K miles, these can still deliver years of solid ownership. 3. Porsche Cayenne. This surprises people. Base Cayenne models, particularly non-turbo variants, are more durable than many assume. Yes, maintenance costs are higher than Lexus, but catastrophic failures are less common when properly maintained. At 100K miles, a well-kept example can still offer strong mechanical health. The key is buying condition, not chasing the cheapest one available. Volvo XC90 T5 models. Volvo reliability has improved significantly. The T5 turbo models are generally more predictable than the more complex supercharged T6 variants. Avoid hybrid complexity if long-term ownership is your goal. Modern safety. Solid interior durability, manageable repair frequency. At 100K miles, it's not reckless, it's strategic if properly maintained. 1. Lexus LS 460, well-maintained examples. The LS is Lexus engineering at its finest. The 4.6-liter V8 is smooth and long-lasting. Yes, suspension components may require attention, but the core drivetrain is extremely durable. Buying one at 100K miles gives you flagship comfort, massive depreciation savings, proven mechanical longevity. It's one of the few true luxury sedans where 6-digit mileage doesn't automatically mean disaster. The pattern smart buyers notice. The cars that are safe at 100K miles share common traits: naturally aspirated engines, proven automatic transmissions, minimal experimental technology, strong manufacturer reliability track records. The ones that struggle often include twin, turbo high-output engines, air suspension systems, complicated hybrid setups, overloaded performance trims. 100,000 miles isn't the enemy. Poor engineering decisions are. If you buy carefully, verify maintenance history, and avoid overly complex trims, 100K miles can actually be the sweet spot, where depreciation has done its damage, but the car still has years of life left. And that's where smart luxury buyers make their money.